Hello friends, today I will teach you how to swap two numbers without using third variable. So firstly we will include the header file stdio.h. Here stdio.h is the standard input output header file in C programming language, which has some predefined built-in functions like printf and scanf. Now we declare main function. Here we take two variable a and b and print and ask to user that enter two numbers which they want to swap, and now the user will input two numbers ampersand a and ampersand b. So here the user inputs two number a and b. Now we want to, as we know that if here a is equals to b, that means the value, if we input the value a is 10 and b is 20, where a is equals to, like, a is 10 and b is 20. So now the value here is 20 in a variable, and when we go for b is equals to a, so that is wrong, just because the value of b is already 20 and the value of a is now 20, so that logic is wrong. So right logic, we declare the right logic to swap two numbers. So we drive, let's take an example here. The value of a is 10 and value of b is 20. Okay, so if we take addition between two number a plus b and store it to a, so now the value of a is 30 here, and value of b is still remains same, so now the value is b is 20. So for change the value of b, here we subtract the value of a b and store it to b. So now the value of a is still remains same, a is 30 here, and b is 10. So for there is missing number is 20 here, so which we want, so we store 20 to variable a. So what we do a minus b here and store it to variable a. So now we will get the result, a is 20 now and b is 10 here. So now the value is swapped between two numbers without using third variable, and now we print those value after swapping. The value is, the value of a is, and value of b is percentage d, and pass those value a comma b. So we will get the result, and now we compile that result, and now we enter two numbers 58 or 54, and after swapping the result of a is 54 and b is 58, so the value is swapped between two numbers. So here after swapping the value, now we again compile for different inputs. The value of a is 58 and the value of A is 90. After swapping, the value of A is 90 and B is 58. So here be done swap two numbers without using third variable. Thank you.